Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have in the Madam Glam January collection. This is the House of Glam. So I did receive 4 colors of the House of Glam collection. This is their January launch. And they look super pretty. These are the ones that I picked out. Let's go ahead and get into swatching, and we'll do a little tutorial for you guys. I got some new swatch sticks and stilettos again. This first color is Mystique. Here's what Mystique looks like. It's this beautiful purple shade, like purple with a slight hint of gray to it, but it's a really light purple. It is super pretty. This next one is Royal Card. Here's what Royal Card looks like. It is a beautiful mauve color. I feel like we've seen a couple shades like this from Madam Glam before, so I'm curious to do some comparisons on that one. Next we have Green Energy. Here's what Green Energy looks like. It is a beautiful tealy green. It's definitely got some blue tint to it. In camera, I feel like it's more blue. In person, it's a little bit more green. So I would say it's definitely like a darker teal shade. And this last one I have is Astrological Goddess. Here is what Astrological Goddess looks like. This one is a lighter mauve color, definitely like a purpley gray that's on the lighter side. This one's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat and top coat of all of these colors, and we'll come back to take a look. Okay, so here are the 4 shades that I have here. I went ahead and did a matte top coat on half of this swatch. These are very pretty, very winter appropriate colors. I feel like they're very galaxy-like as well. So I think I'm gonna do a galaxy tutorial with these colors for you guys. I do wanna start out with some comparisons. So for our purple Mystique, I do have a lineup of purples. You can see they're all different. This one here is Purple Hero, which has a much warmer undertone to it. This one is Purple Haze. This one is like an off-white. It's quite a bit lighter. Similar undertones though. And then this one is my favorite, Light Lilac. Again, has more of a pinker undertone. I did pull Soft Serve from Light Elegance. This one's gonna be lighter and pinker, so nothing really compares. This one's pretty unique. I really love this color. It is beautiful. Of course, you guys know I love my purples, so of course I was gonna love this one. For Royal Card, I pulled Wine O'Clock, and you can see these are pretty similar. That like dark mauve color. I have another one that's very similar but has a shimmer to it, so I did not pull that one. So they are a little bit different. Wine O'Clock is a little bit brighter of a tone. This one's a little bit on the muddier side, but they are fairly close. Different, but close. Next, for green energy, I have a lineup of teals. Again, nothing too comparable. This one is evening teal, which is quite a bit darker, more on the blue side. This one is Oh Happy Day, which is more green. And this one is Blair Waldorf, which is lighter, a little bit more green. I pulled a couple light elegance colors. This one is Jack and Gel, which is quite a bit brighter in shade. And then this one is Don't Be Shy. This one has that like gray hue to it, but this one is more blue in tone. So nothing too comparable for green energy. And then for astrological goddess, I pulled Pivot, which you can see doesn't quite compare, but I feel like that was the closest one I had. I did pull two light elegance colors, Now and Zen, from the Buttercream collection, as well as pencils and paintbrushes from the Heart Gel. So here's pencils and paintbrushes, a little bit lighter in tone, but you can see those are pretty similar. Then Now and Zen, I feel like these are pretty close. Now and Zen is a little bit darker, but these ones are pretty close in shade. So those were the swatches and the comparison. I want to go ahead and do a tutorial for you guys on a swatch stick. We're gonna mix these colors together and create a galaxy design. So here is the galaxy design that I came up with. For the background, I used Perfect Black, and then I mixed together these three colors, Mystique, Royal Card, Green Energy on my palette. Used the blooming gel to help spread everything out. Added some detailing of white with white gel paint And then finalized it with the velvet matte top coat. I feel like these colors look perfect together for this galaxy look. Now if you want to do more black, I'd just do less of the swirling, but I wanted these colors to pop since I'm showcasing this collection here. I absolutely love how this turned out. So here again, I have the 4 colors that I got from the House of Glam. I will insert on the screen now a picture of the full collection. But I am very pleased with this collection. I really like the tones of it, are very wintry. I really like this collection, with the exception of Royal Card. It's a little too similar to Wine O'Clock, which we've seen before, but these other shades are definitely an addition to the collection. I cannot wait to see what Madam Glam does for the rest of the year. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my Madam Glam videos. Make sure you're subscribed for more videos coming out very soon. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.